Welcome to everyone. Myself Surendra. I am from New Zealand Infotech. Last class we have done about a multi-threading concept. What is a multitasking? Like in that multitasking, again we have two types. First one is process-based multitasking and thread-based multitasking. What is process-based multitasking and what is a thread-based multitasking? And what are the examples for process-based multitasking and thread-based multitasking also we have done. And what is a thread also we have done. Now I'll show you first of all one small program about threads. Then I will go with the implementation. For example, here I'm creating a one class. Here I'm creating a one class. For example, my class name is demo. After that, execution starts from main method. So for that, here I'm creating one main method, public static void main, public static void main string array of args. Now here I am writing one print statement, system.out.println welcome to New Zen Infotech. Welcome to New Zen Infotech. Here already I have explained one thing. Each and every class in Java we have one thread, that is nothing but main thread. That main thread is created by JVM. Here also if you want to execute any one statement, for example here I want to execute this statement, here also one thread is needed. Already in this program one thread is there, that is nothing but main thread. So main thread is the responsible for to execute these statements. Okay, now for example main thread is there, but I want to know the thread name. Okay, now if we want to know the thread name, then here we have to use the statement like system.out.println of thread dot current thread dot get name. Okay, now get name, here we can get that thread name. What is the thread name? Here the thread name is main thread, so here we'll get the output is a main. Okay, now so this is the annotation to get a thread name. Next, after that, here each and every thread having one id. Okay, now each and every thread having one id. If you want to get that id, here we have to use system.out.println of thread dot current thread dot get id. Thread dot current thread dot get id. This is the method to get id. Okay, now here we will get some ids. It's like a 0 or 1. Okay, now 0 or 1, like that we will get. Okay, now next after that, here I'll go with priority. One method is there, priority method. Here each and every thread having a priority. Here the priority is nothing but the lowest priority range is 1 to 10. Here if we are getting the thread priority is 1, means the 1 is a lowest priority. 1 is a lowest priority. Next, here we are getting 10, means then that is a highest priority. 1 is a lowest priority and 10 is a highest priority. Next after that, here we having another one priority also, that is nothing but 5. 5 is nothing but, here we will get a normal priority. Here the main thread priority is a normal priority. Why? Because only one thread is there. Okay, now next after that, here if we want to get that thread priority, then here we'll go with the thread dot current thread dot get priority. Here only one thread is present inside that thread class, so here we'll get normal priority only, nothing but 5. Okay, now if you want to know how many thread is active in this program, okay, now if you want to know that how many thread is active in this program, then we'll go with the another one statement. It's like a system.out.println thread dot active count. Here we will get How many thread is active in this class? How many threads is active in this class? That we will get. Now here, tell me how many threads is active in this class? Only one thread is active. That is nothing but main thread. So here we will get output is 1. These all are the basic thread methods. Okay now, if you want to get the thread name, then here we have to use thread dot current thread dot get name method. If you want to know that thread id, then here we have to use thread dot current thread dot get id. Next after that, if you want to know the priority, then we will go with the thread dot current thread dot get priority. Next, if you want to know how many threads is currently inactive, then here we will go with the thread dot active count. This all are the basic methods in a thread class. First of all, how many ways we can create a thread, and which way is a better, that we will discuss now. Here we can create we can create threads. We can create threads in two ways. We can create threads in two ways. What are the two ways is nothing but here the first way is extending thread class. Here the first way is a extending thread class. Thread is a one inbuilt class. Okay, now thread is a one inbuilt class which is present in java.lang package. Okay, now extending thread class, and the second one is a implementing runnable interface. Here the second one is a implementing runnable interface.